So our next new topic is going to be linear differential equation. So இவ்வளவு நேரம் variable separable பார்த்தாச்சு, homogeneous differential equation பார்த்தாச்சு, இப்போ linear differential equation. Linear na என்ன அர்த்தம்? We'll see. A linear differential equation is of the form dy by dx plus py equals q. Okay, so this is going to be the form of a linear differential equation. இந்த மாதிரி ஃபார்ம்ல கொடுக்கலனா நம்ம இந்த மாதிரி ஃபார்ம்ல மாத்திக்க போறோம். ஓகே, சோ இந்த ஃபார்மேஷன்ல இந்த ஃபார்ம்ல இந்த மெத்தட்ல you have to remember 3 steps. என்னென்ன ஸ்டெப்ஸ்? First, write the given differential equation in the form dy by dx plus py equals q. இந்த ஃபார்ம்ல ஃபர்ஸ்ட் எழுதிக்கணும். அதுக்கப்புறம் you take the constant p where p and q are constants. Okay, then second step, you take the constant p and try to integrate it by raising it to the exponent e to the power integral of p dx. Okay, இத பண்ண போறோம். So இதுக்கு பேர் வந்து integrating factor. So second step is to find the integrating factor. First step அந்த ஃபார்ம்ல எழுதணும். p என்ன q என்னன்னு கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டு integrating factor கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். அத பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறமா your solution is going to be of this form. இதெல்ல substitute பண்ண வேண்டியதான். y times the integration factor equals integral of q into integration factor times dx plus c and the constant. Okay, integration பண்ணா constant வருமா? அந்த மாதிரி. இப்போ இந்த இடத்துல what do you see? You see that dy by dx plus py equals q னு இருக்கு. So if you have a y here, you are having a y here. இதே வந்து ஒரு சில questions-க்கு it could also be of the form dx by dy. அப்போ உங்க ஃபார்ம் எப்படி இருக்கணும்னா px equals q. Okay, இந்த p யும் q யும் constants. பட் இங்க x y இருக்குனா இங்க y, இங்க x இருக்குனா இங்க x. ஓகே, அது மட்டும் ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. அந்த ஃபார்ம்ல இருக்கணும். அப்புறம் தான் சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்ணனும். ஓகே, சிம்பிள். Now let's try to solve an example. Okay, so first என்ன கொடுத்திருக்கு? dy by dx minus y equals cos x. First step என்ன? இது அந்த ஃபார்ம்ல இருக்கான்னு பார்க்கணும். ஃபார்ம் என்ன? dy by dx plus py equals q. Okay, so இதுல இருந்து first p என்ன q என்ன எழுதிடலாமா? p is going to be minus 1. You see here, it is minus 1. Correct? Then what is your q? q is going to be plus cos x. Okay, first step முடிஞ்சதா? Very good. First step done. We have written it in this particular form. Now, second step is going to be to find the integration factor. Second step என்ன? Integration factor என்னன்னு கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். And how are you going to find out? if equals e raised to the power p dx. Okay, so this is nothing but integration to the power minus 1 dx. So this is going to be e to the minus 1 வெளியில வந்து minus வெளியில வந்துரும். Integration of dx is going to be minus x. So this is my integration factor. இப்போ second step பண்ணியாச்சு. Third step என்ன? To substitute in this particular equation. So y times integrating factor equals integral q times integration factor times dx plus constant c. இதுல substitute பண்ணலாமா? y times integration factor என்ன? e to the power minus x equals integration of q is going to be cos x times e to the power minus x dx plus c. Okay, so இப்போ இந்த left hand side அப்படியே தான் இருக்க போகுது. right hand side நான் தனியா integrate பண்ண போறேன். Okay, I'm going to integrate this. So this is going to be cos x times e to the minus x, integrating by parts. பண்ணலாமா? So I'm going to have cos x integration of e to the minus x dx minus, open a bracket, d by dx of cos x integration of minus x dx இதோட whole integration. You remember this? Very good. This is integration by parts. இப்போ இதை solve பண்ணலாமா? I'm going to have cos x integration of e to the x is going to be e to the minus x divided by minus 1. ஏன்னா minus x இருக்கு இல்லையா பவர்ல. So x யும் integrate பண்ணா you'll get a minus 1 minus integration of d by dx of cos x is going to be minus sin x times e to the minus x oda integral is going to be e to the minus x divided by minus 1 times dx. Okay, இப்போ என்ன ஆக போகுது? இந்த மைனஸும் பிளஸ் ஆயிடுமா? So plus. So what am I going to have? I'm going to have this is equal to minus cos x e to the minus x minus e to the minus x sin x dx. Okay, now I'm going to again integrate this particular term. இதுவும் அதே மாதிரி இருக்கா? So இதை எப்படி பண்ண போறோம்? Integration of sin x e to the minus x dx equals integration by parts again. So what am I going to have? Sin x integration of e to the minus x dx minus integral, open the bracket, d by dx of the first function, sin x, integral of the second function, dx, close the bracket, திரும்ப dx. ஏன்னா இந்த integralக்கு இந்த dx. Integration by parts ஞாபகம் இருக்கா? Very good. Now, next step, I'll write it here. So, I have sin x, e to the minus x oda integral is going to be sin x e to the minus x divided by minus 1, e to the minus x oda integral. Then, minus d by dx of sin x is going to be cos x. So, I'm going to have minus integral of cos x. Integral of e to the minus x is again going to be e to the minus x divided by minus 1 dx. Okay, so this is going to be this particular term. Okay, but red and purple one mix panni edulama. So I'm going to take this cos x e to the power minus x in the whole term as I nu edha poren. So what am I going to have? I equals this particular term. I equals this one. You see here? So it is going to be minus cos x e to the minus x. It is going to be minus cos x e to the minus x minus, what is this going to be in the particular term? In the particular term, another, it is the purple term here, this one. Okay, so minus sin e to the minus x divided by minus 1 minus integral of cos x dx. மறுபடியும் நான் என்ன எழுத போறேன்? I'm going to write this as in the plus in the minus plus ஆயிடுமா? So I'm going to write it as plus I. Okay, this term is again going to be I, correct? This is going to be I. Now what do I have? I equals minus cos x e to the minus x plus e to the minus x sin x minus I. When I take the minus I to the other side, I'll have 2i equals minus cos x e to the minus x plus e to the minus x sin x. So I equals, I another namalku, what did we take as I? Is this particular term. Okay, so I equals 1 by 2 minus வெளியில எடுத்துறேன், e to the minus x வெளியில எடுத்துறேன். So I have cos x minus sin x. So what did we find out? We found out this particular integral. So what is my final solution now? இதுதான் final solution இல்லையா? இதுல substitute பண்ண போறேன். So y e to the minus x, y e to the minus x equals, instead of this I, I'm going to substitute in the value. So it is going to be minus half e to the minus x times cos x minus sin x plus c. Okay, so இதை எப்படி further simplify பண்ணலாம்? E to the minus x ஆல divide பண்ண போறேன். So dividing by e to the minus x, what will I have? Y equals minus half of cos x minus sin x plus c divided by e to the minus x. இந்த மாதிரி இருக்குமா? So இப்போ இந்த c க்கு e to the x minus மேல போச்சுனா என்ன ஆகும்? Y equals இந்த half minus நான் உள்ள multiply பண்றேன். So I have sin x minus cos x. I'm multiplying this minus inside. So sin x minus cos x divided by 2 plus c e to the minus x. So this is my final solution. Okay, please copy. Easiest method. இத்தனை நேரம் நம்ம பார்த்த மெத்தடுமே easy. This is also one more easier method. So examல எப்படி கேட்குறாங்களோ அந்த மாதிரி சம் போடுங்க, இல்லை உங்களுக்கு எப்படி கம்ஃபர்டபுளாக இருக்கோ அந்த மாதிரி போடலாம். Okay, simple. Now moving on to example 15. Okay, so what is your question now? I'll write it down. X dy by dx plus 2y equals x square. Okay, so first step என்ன பார்க்கணும்? இங்க y இருக்கு, இங்கேயும் y இருக்கு. இதை பார்த்தாச்சா? Next, இப்போ என்ன ஃபார்ம்ல வேணும்? dy by dx plus py equals q னு வேணும். But here I see that there is a coefficient for dy by dx. So I'm going to divide the whole equation by x. So first step, dividing by x. So I'm going to have dy by dx plus 2 by x times y equals x square divided by x. So ஒரு x இன்னொரு x square cancel ஆயிடுமா? So I'll be left with 1x. So what is my final form here? I'm going to have dy by dx equals 2 by x into y equals x. So this is going to be my p and this is going to be my q. ஏன் இந்த ஃபார்முலா எழுதுனேன்னு புரியுதா? Now what is my p? p equals 2 by x and q equals x. So first step முடிஞ்சது. Very good. Now second step, I'm going to find the integration factor, which is going to be e to the power of p dx, which is going to be e to the power of 2 by x dx, which is going to be 2 is a constant. So 2 வெளியில எடுக்கிறேன். 1 by x ஓட integral என்ன? It is going to be log x. Now I am going to take this 2 to the power of log. So I will have e to the power of log of x square. E to the log of some function is going to be the function itself. Clear? Very nice. So we have found the integration factor. Now third step enna? You have to substitute y times integration factor equals integral q times integration factor times dx plus c. In the formula போடலாமா? Now I am going to have y into integration factor enna? X square equals, what is my q? Q is going to be x. X times x square dx plus c. So I have y x square equals integration of x cube dx plus c. In the integration is going to be very simple. So what do I have? Y x square equals x power 4 divided by 4 plus c. Okay, now I'm going to divide the whole equation by x square. So I have y equals x power 4 divided by 4 divided by x square. Divided by pandrena? So divided by x square plus c divided by x square. So what is my final answer? Y equals, இது cancel ஆகுமா? X square, this becomes x square. And this x power 2, when it goes to the numerator, it will become x power minus 2. இல்லையா? So what am I left with? X square by 4 plus c x to the power minus 2. So this is my final answer. Okay, please copy. ரொம்ப simple.